Welcome to clickmyproject.com.
Title of our product is a low power oscillator based readout interface for medical ultrasonic sensor. Abstract of our product is this process proposed an oscillator based ultrasonic sensor interface that can be applied into intravascular applications. The readout circuits are validated with a capacitive micro-machined ultrasonic transducers and a current to frequency chip. The CMOS capacitive micro-machined ultrasonic transducer are integrated with a current amplifier on the same chip, and the current to frequency chip provides the current to frequency readout interfaces. The relaxation oscillator with injection locked are employed to achieve low power consumption. Also, the time-based output signal can be further digitalized with a time to digital converter. Both chips are fabricated in a 0.35 nm CMOS MEMS process technology. The current amplifier consumes 281.7 microwatts and the power consumption of the current to frequency circuit is 25.4 microwatts. These ultrasonic image sensors are widely used in surgical applications to provide accurate visual guidance. Nowadays, there are several methods utilized to minimize the failures so that the patients recover better after the surgery. Now we are going to discuss about the flow diagram of our product. Our product can be implemented by using a different four modules. They are device chip module, current to frequency converter, modulator digital block module, and the last one is an period to digital converter. In this device chip module is contain one simple current amplifier and capacitive micro-machined ultrasonic transducer. The output of the capacitive micro-machined ultrasonic transducer is directly applied into the current amplifier. The current amplifier is utilized and integrated with the CMOS cells to minimize the parasitic capacitance and enhance the sensitivity of the overall ultrasonic system. In the current amplifier has two PMOS and two NMOS devices. It amplifies the output of the capacitance micro-machined ultrasonic transducer using clock pulse. This current amplifier is directly applied into the current to frequency converter. In this current to frequency converter directly converts the ultrasonic induced AC current signals into digital signals. It contains two different oscillators. They are sensing oscillator and another one is a reference oscillator. In sensing oscillator, the capacitive micro-machined ultrasonic transducer signals can be applied as an input signal. In reference oscillator, the reference DC voltage can be applied as an input signal. They are fully used for the power reduce and power consumption. This sensing and reference oscillator output signal is directly applied into the frequency divider. These frequency divider circuits can be implemented by using a different two D flip-flops. They are master and slave flip-flops. This master and slave flip-flop output is directly applied into the period to digital converter. The divided pulse are further processed by D-type flip-flop. The pulse width equal to the period of reference oscillator and the pulse period is twice the period of sensing oscillator. The frequency difference between the sensing oscillator and reference oscillator can be extracted in this period to digital converter. Now we are going to discuss about the running procedure of our product. Our product can be implemented by using a Tanner EDA tool 13.0 version. Now double click to open the tool window to create a new design using file option. File to create a new design. In desired path, allot the design name. After creating the design, now we are going to add the library files from this add option. click Add to select the desired path of library files to add the libraries of Tanner EDA. After adding the library, now we are create the schematic. Cell new view. In our product, we are using 3 different cells to implement our product. Cell 0 is an current amplifier circuit. Cell 1 is an sensing and reference oscillator circuit. Cell 2 is an final output waveform of the low power oscillator readout interface circuit. First we are going to select a cell 0, start simulate. This is an output waveform of a current amplifier. Expand this waveform using expand chart option. VCMUT is a capacitive micro machined ultrasonic transducer input. Vout is a final output of the current amplifier. Vin is an input signal of the current amplifier. Now we are going to see the reference and sensing oscillator output signal. Select cell 1 to start simulate. This is an output waveform of the sensing and reference oscillator. Expand this waveform using expand chart option. First one is a reference oscillator output signal. The second one is an sensing oscillator output signal. Final one is a V of in is a input signal of our product. The reference clock signal is off. The sensing oscillator will be triggered. If the reference oscillator signal will be on, the sensing oscillator will be working depend on the reference oscillator clock signal. Select the final module of cell 2. This cell 2 is a final output of a low power oscillator readout interface. Select the cell 2 to start simulation. This is a final output waveform of a low power oscillator. Expand this waveform. VREF is a reference voltage. Vsense is a sensing voltage. Vin is an input voltage of low power oscillator. The Vout, their final output of our product, is fully dependent on the reference and sensing oscillator. The combination of reference and sensing oscillator will be produce the final Vout waveform. Thank you for watching this video.